Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of the screen like so, which will bring down your toggles, and locate the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is visible right over here, the very top. Once you see this toggle, first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. So go over the options that I have right here, customize them. I'm only going to talk about one of these options right here, which is the duration for quick settings. This defines what actually happens when you press on a toggle manually, as you can also set it up on a schedule. It is enabled by default on the first option until you turn it off, which means that when you turn it on, it will run indefinitely in the background and obviously do whatever it's set to do. I personally like to select it on a timer, make it something like 4 hours. So when I enable it, it will run for 4 hours and not any minute longer. So if I forget about it, the device will turn it off after that time on its own. So I don't need to worry about it just running indefinitely. Anyway, let's find the toggle, and instead of holding it, this time around you're just going to simply tap on it, and this will toggle on your Do Not Disturb mode. And if you remember to turn it off, you can do so by tapping on the toggle once again. So with that out of the way, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.